Hello everyone, welcome back to FixGenie. In this video, I'll show you how to check the battery health on your Lenovo laptop. Let's get started. First, open the Lenovo Vantage app. Click on the search bar and type Lenovo Vantage and click on it. This app comes pre-installed on most Lenovo laptops. If not available, then open Microsoft Store and search for Lenovo Vantage app and download it from there. Once Lenovo Vantage opens, click on the Battery section. Here, you'll be able to see your laptop's battery health and other battery information, such as the current charge level and battery condition. If the battery health indicator is green, your battery is in good condition. If it shows red or indicates poor health, it means your battery has degraded and may need attention or replacement. That's all. This is the easiest way to check your Lenovo laptop's battery health. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.